This production line is a new type of popping technology for popping popcorn. The popping technology is an effective combined application of temperature and hot air circulation. With high thermal efficiency, low production cost, environmental protection, and no noise. Puffed sugar is produced by an assembly line with high degree of automation, simple operation, and stable quality. It can achieve ideal exploding shells. The effect is high spherical forming rate, uniform sugar coating, easy adjustment of formula, original flavor, caramel, strawberry, coconut, dark chocolate, any adjustment. Welcome to contact us.